Well, how you doing, everyone? As you can see, I still got the bottom on here. Although the top turned out pretty nice, like I said, I like it a lot. Since this was already in there, truck's already done on it, I could use a smaller one. There we go. See on the outside of that, it'll be good. All right, let's see what we can dig up. Oh, sorry. Dang, that cut's nice. She don't like that. See where that catch was. Oh yeah, that was ugly. Look at that. Ooh, right there. Oh yeah, that was mean. All right, let's see if I can straighten that all out with the flat one here. Yep. All right, let me measure this out here. I think I'm pretty much where I need to be. It feels that way anyways. Oh, look at that. I'm like, man, really not. Got a little raise right there I can get off, I guess. Let me try to get that out without destroying the bottom. Famous last words. All right. It's okay. Yeah, I can do it there. All right, let's get that center drilled out. Sand her up. Should be done.
Wow, this bull here took no time at all to gouge out. And it's gonna take no time at all to get this all centered up. What the hell did I do here?
Yep, I sure did.
Empty streets, the street lights hum a lonely tune.
Must have been on that catch.
Under that same pale moon.
I'll see what I can do to repair it, but if I repair it, we ain't gonna be using it for eating out of. I can use it for a diagram layout on things that I've done. Use it for that. This is an example of something I've completed, you know?
To keep the silence and the shadows held at bay. Now every echo in this house
get all down in there. You're in the jungle, baby.
This love's so bad, I'm proud and I'm the one who bleed. You pledge your lies and watch them grow like poison.
Good to go. Let me sand that off and it'll look like part of the vein. Okay, good to go. Good masking. But like I said, I ain't gonna be able to use it for anything more than just something to show Small one, and then we'll see what happens. But I got this got stockable anyway, so. All right, first.
I see your face in every stranger passing
That's it.
by.
All right.
Goes to sweet self.
So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get some sandpaper together here and go through the motions. So let's see here. It's 100. What's this one? I don't think I need a 40. No, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it's probably start out at 100. All right, so start at 100. See how that does. If it does good, we'll go at 20. We'll go to 120 and then 240, 320. Now I won't even go 320. Like I said, it's going to be something that's going to be sitting out. Not going to be eaten off of. So 240 is good. All right, so I could probably go in with 2, but then that ain't going to leave me squat for yeah, it's just going to cut too close to the. It'll give it too thin. I don't want to thin it down that much. So we'll leave it at 1 5/8. I'm happy with that. All right, let's get some sanding going. What's this bump from? Got a bump over here. I don't know where that's from, but I'm going to get rid of it right quick. I don't need to be there. Where am I? Scrape it here. You're supposed to take care of this. Let's see what's that. Yeah, let's see what that is. I don't like that sappiness back down there, but that's all right. I can sand it out pretty good. 240 will get it down pretty nice. Be good enough for putting on a shelf somewhere. People look at it. So, 120, 240. Yeah, I gotta put a mask on with this type of sanding. Ouch, that's hot.